Hello YouTube, this is a quick video and update to my car of what the repairs I have done on it. I started at 2 and ended at 6 and took a series of videos as I went along. And sorry for the poor videos that I took, but this is just what I have for an update. Description of what I did on the car will be in the description below. If any questions, just ask because yeah. Just want to show you what's going on in my car. Look at that. It's nasty. Look at the carbon on my throttle body. It's really nasty, full of that stuff. And look at my intake. That. And the passageway's broken. All that good stuff, but that's all being replaced. Got a new one there. I have cover gaskets and everything else is inside. See y'all later. Hey, back. Look how bad it is, the gaskets. Look at that. This side's worse. And this one's broken. That could have got sucked in. But that's going to be all replaced. Everything replaced. Everything's good though. The engine is super clean. Well, that's what the inside looks like. Luckily, this is just dirty. It's not broken or anything corroded, but all being done. Just got one of the valve covers off. Already started cleaning that. Here's my valves. Pretty clean. Really clean. Well, as I should be. And there's the valve cover. Really dirty. You know. It's underneath it. But next on the next thing. Okay, this is a picture of it already back together. I did a start of it, but the video of it was too bad for me to use for this, so the next video coming up is just me showing you about my transmission mount, and I'll attach along with this video a start of it, but it's already been about 2,000 miles, but it does significantly show a difference and it has run better, so after this you should see it start. Hey guys, back with another update. Placing the transmission mount that's supposed to be down there. Here's the new one right here. Here's the old one right here. All these cracks and stuff. Look at that. Just nasty altogether. So that's it, y'all. Alright, Tooth. Here's the video of the start. It's been about a couple thousand miles since I did the job, but I need to make this video so you guys can see how it starts. I'll show you what's going on with it. Just remove the cover so you can see. There it is. Now it has already ran today, so it's already hot. So, only complaint I had or experience, the thing that holds the map valve broke right here. See, it broke, and when you press the gas, the whole thing moves up. So I gotta replace that. And with the new fitting, I had to put a rubber hose and a nut to the top vac so I could seal that. Other than that, I have no complaints whatsoever from what I did. I'll complain to myself if I messed up. But here's a proper startup at it. It's gonna be a hot start. As it is in Florida, it's no longer cold. We're back in the frying pan, cooking like eggs. Alright, here we go. Just like that. It starts. Sorry if it's blurry, I can't really see my screen. There we go. That ticking you hear is the injectors. But I'm going to be making a video of a full, just a talk visual of what I have done to this car. And I will also, on this video that I'm uploading that you will see, I'm going at the end, I will post the pictures of the products or parts I have used. I bought them off rockauto.com, so I'll post those also right after this video. Well, this one on the same video. But here's a little rev. A lot more responsive. So that's it. Sorry for the long wait, guys, but it'll be up. Well, when you see this, it'll be up. Later.